Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your PayPal account. First, let's cover some basic troubleshooting steps. Always begin by checking your internet connection and ensuring your device is working correctly. Next, carefully verify your login details. A simple typo can prevent access. Finally, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart it. These initial actions resolve many common access issues, saving you time and frustration. Now, let's address some common problems that might be affecting your account. It is crucial to regularly review your recent activity for any unfamiliar transactions. If your linked bank accounts or credit cards have expired, update them promptly to avoid payment disruptions. Additionally, PayPal may require you to complete identity verification steps. Fulfilling these requests is essential for full account functionality. Taking these steps helps maintain a healthy and secure account. Security is paramount for your online financial accounts. Always create a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. For an extra layer of protection, enable two-factor authentication. This requires a second verification step during login. If your account has temporary limitations, understand these are often put in place to protect against suspicious activity, ensuring the safety of your funds and personal information. Sometimes, you might need direct assistance from PayPal. For transaction disputes or issues with specific payments, the Resolution Center is your first stop. If you encounter more complex problems, such as persistent login issues or account restrictions, contacting PayPal customer service directly is the best approach. Before you call, gather all your account details and relevant information. This will help the support team assist you more efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.